channel Cook for the Soul. My name is Nicole if you're here for the first time. Thank you everybody watching this channel and watching my video today. I decided to show you how I make my butternut squash and sweet potato soup. I'm also going to use one small yellow onion, and one of the main ingredients for this recipe is a curry powder because it gives it a really nice flavor. So without further ado, let me show you how to make this butternut squash sweet potato soup. So I buy this butternut squash that's already cut up. It takes me a lot of time obviously, and this one is 595 grams, so what is it? 1 pound. For the potato I want to use approximately half of that. So since I have this red potato that's really big, I'm actually gonna use just half of it. So first I'm going to cut up the onion. The pieces don't have to be super small since we're gonna be actually mixing everything together. Whew. And put the onion in a larger pot. So now cut half of the sweet potato. What I like also about this soup is that it's super quick because the butternut squash as well as the sweet potato cooks really quick. So we're gonna have to only boil it for like 15 minutes and then it's gonna be done. So I'm just gonna rinse the potato and now cut it to pieces that are approximately the same size as the butternut squash. And now that we have everything cut up, put 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in the pot, and we're going to saute the onion for approximately 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're gonna add the butternut squash and the sweet potato and saute for another 1 minute. And we are now going to add the curry powder. Mix it in, saute for another minute, add water. You can add already boiling water, which is what I'm doing because then it's gonna be faster. And just add enough to cover everything up, just like this. Now I'm going to add a vegetable bouillon. Mix it in. I'm going to use half a teaspoon of salt and bring it to boil and cook for 15 minutes. And whilst the soup is cooking, I'm gonna roast some pumpkin seeds, which we're going to use for the topping. So just put them in a pan and give it a little shake every few minutes. And roast the seeds until they have a nice brownish color. And once they roasted, transfer them into a bowl straight away so they don't keep roasting on the hot pan. So after 15 minutes the veggies are cooked, you can turn it off for now. And we're going to use a hand mixer to blend everything together. And I'm now going to add coconut milk. I'm going to add fresh lemon juice. And as the last step, I'm going to add some sugar. Heat everything up and the soup is ready.